What if every online store in America suddenly had 1,000 ready-to-go ads, all made by AI? That's exactly what's happening. Australian startup Cuttable, founded by $2 billion entrepreneur Sam Kroonenburg, just launched in the US, and they're giving away 3.1 billion ads. That's 1,000 free Meta ads for every e-commerce brand in America. Before we dive deeper, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. It helps us reach more founders like you. Cuttable connects to your Shopify store, studies your brand, and automatically creates image and video ads ready for Facebook and Instagram. What used to take weeks and thousands now takes minutes. As Kroonenburg says, advertising shouldn't be a luxury. Cuttable turns your product photos and brand assets into hundreds of tested, high-performing ads. No agency required. Even brands like Frank Body and Love in Faith are already using it to scale creative production. And when Fashion Nova's former VP tested it, Cuttable made 20 professional ads in 15 minutes. His Meta rep called them perfectly optimized. With $6.5 million in new funding and a US HQ opening soon in Austin, Cuttable is set to shake up how e-commerce brands advertise. If you run an online store, this could be your unfair advantage: the ability to compete with enterprise-level creative using AI. Watch the related video in the corner to see more ways AI is transforming marketing. And if you're ready to start using AI to grow your business, hit like, subscribe, and book a time on my calendar. Let's make your ads unstoppable.